memo ko bobim yetimi install Starlink no na ye install no processing na no me try na ntimi be bram e wo platform we so nti sa video me be speed test between MTN and Starlink no na videos me ye no like midnight or around be 2 enya no ko amesena ye speed test ni bi we we are said ye obi bia betimi ate ase na mesena ye speed test ni bi emra ensu eto nti ye be hwe se whether no betimi affect Starlink so badly say ultimate share na bebra more platform way so and before say make phone so am who speed no amekoye no be call IPSW be call download the iPhone file be aye 1.5 gig into 1.5 gig you know me timer Starlink ni we na timer MTN the we but before no I mean running speed test na me share megabit per second network me no nyina betimi e de amai nti ma me nso MTN no nti sese a me speed no way MTN speed test na me sese a no nti so MTN speed test na me economy we am about Starlink no many 2 times we are who say first one nti me ma me good figure me say I tried and na marane test bi said ye obi abewo se bibia fair okay so first one ma me 5.4 megabits per second 5.4 megabits per second. So, my main sign enko be to second one no. We are meso Starlink na then na ma try Starlink no ma he Starlink to speed it be mame. Nti MTN mo he video say mo improve my network no na say 5G na mo be ba mo for 5G ni bra cause me phone we support 5G but because of the 5G ni Ghana no and nti na me yes speed. So MTN mame 5 minim first one at the moment me ref because of Kasana Mekan. So I'm a 5.8 megabits per second. So yanko Starlink. And say me do me data no. Me do me data no. And see mami be Starlink app no. Me say me be Starlink. Mami be Starlink app no. And me be Starlink no say mami disconnected. And mami so me Wi-Fi no na and me connect me Starlink no. Nti I connect here beba online. That is Starlink na connect. So I connect online. Then my main call we na me more na me refresh no. Okay. So you have Starlink na so megabits per second na edebe my no. That is crazy. That is crazy. Close to 200 megabits per second. 130 megabits per second for the first test you know. 230 megabits per second na Starlink in the mine. So you got the second one. That is crazy. The speed is insane. Speed is insane. 310 megabits per second. That means be crazy. You call iPhone file no na me download the iPhone no 1.5 gig na here. How long it be take you me accomplish? Yanko sa site we me download the iPhone, that is iPhone 4S file, and I'm be downloading and a 1.6 gig. Me more downloading it. So I started, me boss start. Okay, I started. So started. Started and see. My main reading over her. That is crazy. So I call 8 seconds, 11 seconds, 11 seconds. You got 20 seconds. I download the more than 200 megabytes. So it depends. Me try send me download the at the iPhone 13 Pro file. Na 7 gig plus. It's me you see in less than 5 minutes now download the area. But we no, I think say we no cry a channel no, but we cry a channel no 1.5 gig. Starlink I use 3 minutes 30 seconds. 3 minutes 13 seconds and then they download the 1.5 gig anywhere. 3 minutes 13 seconds and a Starlink need to download the video. So you call MTN, it's my memory set to me. We know then na me do me Wi-Fi, you know. Then I'm call MTN. So you call MTN no, you try MTN. So MTN you call my switch out to me MTN data no, download again. Okay, I started. So you have timer MTN so bit to me here. Here how fast. Okay. I think it's MTN so call. So since I was here, MTN no yako 8 minutes, like 9 minutes, and MTN no it's me download the 1.4 1.447 gig. Partially saying see that means close to 10 minutes in the MTN at the complete. So MTN ASU 9 minutes 24 sec 9 minutes 24 seconds in the DBA, but Starlink I think 3 minutes. And to me who I don't share, leave your comments in the photo video la test our person video la person brano leave your photo comment section and the next video no address. Any feedback about video will be also with me catch you. Make sure I meet me first. Now, me boy, me say shame.